welcome me to Bournemouth. Welcome me to King's Bournemouth. And let me introduce you to Andrew. Pleasure to meet you. Okay. And to Nicola, head of studies, head of academics, and the principal of the college. And both speak really good Russian. How's your Russian? Any good? Fantastic. Just say da. Okay, repeat after me, please. Добро
Добро
пожаловать
пожаловать
в King's Bournemouth.
в Киевский.
Guess what you just said? It's King's Bournemouth. No, you tried. She did very well. Right? Добро пожаловать в King's Bournemouth. GCSE Foundation A Levels. И всегда здесь солнечно. Always sunny here.
It's true.
It's true.
Come in.